Today, I am going to explain the importance of coriander soup and also the tips for preparation of that soup. Number one, these coriander leaves are having diuretic nature, especially for the kidney patients. It will naturally releases excess water from the body if they consume properly by seeing the potassium level, and it's almost acts like a diuretic tablets. So now, and also this coriander is having enormous phytochemicals which are useful for the body, and also it's having antioxidant nature also. So now you take coriander leaves as per the quantity which is required. So that is in the literature format. You can download from the PDF format from the description, and wherein you take coriander leaves and you chop, and you take garlic as per the total quantum which you are going to prepare. For especially for 200 ml preparations, you take 30 to 50 gram coriander leaves and 15 gram garlic. That to not paste, you take raw and pound it. Ginger also around 50 to 30 gram, and green chilies according to your requirement, onion according to your requirement, tomato, 1 tomato or 1.5 tomato, and also water, say 200 ml or 250 ml. You pound all the ingredients and add it into the pot and boil for about 8 to 10 minutes, and thereafter you can give tempering also with a few drops, 2 drops or 3 drops with ghee or butter. So it will give good aroma, and also it doesn't affect to your diet principles, where I am saying that not to take oils and fats, etc. And it is very simple preparations, and you can put spices also according to your taste. Even spices are also, particularly black pepper, cinnamon, clove, cardamom. It's all having phytochemicals. You will really enjoy it, and also you will see the benefits from this. Thank you.